Hey, what's up guys? So I wanted to show you this auto alignment kit. So this is for your like a phone case cover. So it comes with these wipes, one that's wet and one that's dry. Comes with a lot of those, so that's really nice. Let me pull these out so you can see them. This is what I love about this is it comes with everything you need packed in a little package like this. So you simply just take it off. It gives you this thing and gives you all the instructions here that you're ever gonna need. Gives you this as a, this is to cover up all your cameras to make sure those are all safe. Gives you a microfiber towel, which is really nice to clean that off. Gives you an extra one for your camera, just in case. So that's really nice. And then it gives you all the auxiliary tools that you might need to put on the screen protector as well. And then you just simply put your phone on here, you pull this tab, it all clips in, and then you just make sure that everything is tight. So when you put it all together, you can clip it all in, and everything, all the bubbles and everything should work itself out. So you wait about 20 seconds for all the bubbles to work out, and honestly, this is such a good like screen protector because it's just so easy, and they make it all this easy because they provide everything that you're gonna need.